Hey guys, it's me Sandra from Cool Girls, and today I got a slime package and a squishy package, but she gave me a Christmas package, so I never had a slime or squishy package, so let's go on to the video. So first I ordered green mint slime. It's for $6. Squishy ball, a basketball for $10, and the fish slime for $15 and extras. So this is from Squishy Lover 123. So the first thing I'm gonna show you a sneak peek. The first thing I pick out is my ball. I ordered a football, not a basketball. It is squishy, but it's not slow rising. And it was for $10 a ball that is not even squishy. So the second I pull out is a tiny bear. Wait, sorry. A bear. Wait. A green bear. Okay. A Batman fidget spinner. What does it do? Oh, they're supposed to light. They don't even work. But wait. You spin it, and then it stops. What type of fidget spinner is this? What is this? A rubber. Seriously, a rubber with a star on it. And it's like, it has a name on it, Sandra. Then it's like bitten, seriously. Next thing I pull out is Hello Kitty. What's inside of it? A mirror, seriously, a Hello Kitty mirror. That is like, can't believe. Next thing, oh, a Shopkin. Seriously, I didn't order a Shopkin. A Furby. A keychain Furby. A Furby. Okay, the next thing I pull out is, again, Shopkins. So it's like this one is so cute. It's a mushroom. Then I got a raspberry. Then, oh, a Mush Monster card. Its name is Artley. Then, seriously, Siam Park. A card. What? It's already wrote in it. Look. Like, wrote in it already. What's this? Noise putty. It's my green slime. What the heck? What the heck? It's not even slime. It's like so tough. They added too much borax. Look. You stretch it. It's so tough. No, but it farts. I'm like, do not ever order from Squishy Lover 123. Do not ever buy anything from her. I'm disappointed. Seriously. I got toys, except both slimes and squishies. Do not ever. What? Do not ever. So I'm gonna see you after I just tell my mom and dad about it. So bye. So my mom said, and dad, just wasted how much money? How much money? Like $31. Seriously, $31. I'm out of this. Okay, bye guys, see you in the next video. I'm so sad about it and sorry about the video, so bye.